Dear student, here is a topic, next concept, the power set. We will define here what is power set, and with one example we will understand how we write the power set of a set. Power set, the collection of all the subsets of set A is called power set of A. It is denoted by PA. Power set PA has all the subset of set A. So see the example. Let A is a set which have element A, comma B. Now we write all possible subset of set A. So phi is the subset of every set. Now see, we will write the singleton set A and B. Now set is also a subset of itself. So there are 4 subset of set A. If we write like this within the braces and separate, we write all these sets as its element, then become a collection of subsets which form the power set. So the collection of all the subsets of a set is called the power set of set A. Another thing we can also remember, the number of element in set A, we write like this, is 2. Therefore, number of element in power set A is equal to 4, which we can write 2 raised to power 2. So in general, suppose the number of elements set is n, then number of elements in power set A will be 2 raised to power n. Now we take the example to suppose we have a set B which have elements 1, 2, 3. Now we will write the power set of set B is equal to all possible subsets. See, phi is the subset of itself, every set. So phi is the subset of B. Now we will write the singleton sets, all possible. See here, and now we take 2 elements, 1, 2, another subset 2, 3, another subset 1, 3, and set having element 3 elements. So set is also a subset of itself. We will write 1, 2, 3, and we write all the possible subset of set B. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, number of element in power set B, see here, is 8, which we can write 2 raised to power 3. And what is 3? 3 is a number of element in a set B. You can count 1, 2, 3. So this is the general formula. If a set have m elements, then number of element in the power set will be 2 raised to power n. So these are the 2 things which we should remember. So the collection of all possible subset of set A is called the power set of set A, and it is noted by PA. So this is the power set of a set.